World War II wasn't won by soldiers alone, it was won in American factories. The secret weapon? Mass production on a scale never seen before. Ford's Willow Run plant was cranking out one B-24 bomber every hour. That's right, every hour. They built over 8,700 planes, producing more aircraft than Germany and Japan combined. But wait, it gets crazier. Henry Kaiser, who had zero experience building ships, revolutionized shipbuilding. His team built entire cargo ships in just 42 days, with one record-breaking ship completed in less than 5 days. By 1945, America had built 324,700 aircraft and employed 1.7 million workers in shipyards. This industrial might wasn't just about numbers. It completely transformed how we make things. The assembly line techniques developed during World War II didn't just win the war. They created the modern world we live in today. Next time you see a factory, remember, that's where World War II was really won.